Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can use OBS on your Omegle. So this process is actually quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step. So without further ado, let's get on it. So first, if you want to use OBS on your while using Omegle, so obviously you need to download OBS first in your device. And after downloading it, just go ahead and launch it on your computer. And after doing so, just as you can see here on my screen, I already have OBS launch on my computer. And then here, what you'll need to do is to add the scenes. So first, if you already launched your OBS, go ahead and click onto the scenes section in there, and then just click onto the plus icon in order for you to add scenes. So and after doing so, just click onto the OK. And since I already have scenes on my OBS, I don't need to do that. And after adding your scene, just go ahead and click onto the skin. Make sure that it is in a blue highlighted right here. So it is highlighted. So as you can see, click onto that scene and then go to the sources. And then what you'll need to do next is to add any sources that you want to share on your Omegle using the OBS. So you can go ahead and or select image if you want to share image, or display capture if you want to share the entirety of your screen on your Omegle, or you can go ahead and select window if you only want to share a window or a single window on your Omegle. So after clicking onto that, just go ahead and do that, and then in here you need to do the controls. So as you can see, what you need to do here in your controls is to start virtual camera. And in your virtual camera, just go ahead and click onto that. So start virtual camera, and after doing so, you can now exit out from your OBS. And the next what you'll need to do is go to your settings here on your browser by clicking on the upper right corner of your screen, the three dots that is available in there, and go into your settings, and then go to the privacy and security and go to site settings. In site settings, go to the camera section, and in here make sure that it is the OBS virtual camera is selected. So just go back, or you can now exit out from there, and then you can now start Omegle, and you can now share OBS in there. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.